Make a great choice today with 2015 911. 911. Safety and dynamics, coupled with inner strength, a legend, and up to 3,200 RPM. The engine operates with dual injection. At up to 2,500 RPM, it even works with triple injection. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, keyless entry, air conditioning, side airbags, passenger airbag, driver airbag, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.